Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today is the giveaway drawing. So about what, a week, 2 weeks ago, I entered, was it 2 weeks ago? So 2 weeks ago, I released a new set of templates and I had 2 new background designs, which were flower and roses. And so in the video for the release of this, the introduction video for this, you had to, in order to be entered into the giveaway, you had to leave a comment down below that video. I will link that video up here if you want to check it out. Down below that video, you had to leave a comment for your vote for the next 2 releases in this set of templates. So the different backgrounds, there were 8, were there 8 more? There was 10 more available to choose from. So you just had to leave a vote for 2. So the winner, there's going to be 2 winners today. I'm going to draw via random YouTube comment picker. The winner has to have left a vote and be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So what you'll win is a set of the Basically Amazing Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on in the background, one of the 2 backgrounds that won today. You get to choose whichever one you want. There's gonna be, if you stay tuned, I'm going to do the drawing, I'm gonna do some coupon codes, and I may even show you a sneak peek of some of the recording that I've done for the album that we're making using the new Decorative Edge. Okay, so, well, first let's talk about, I'm trying to make sure my phone doesn't, I've already pulled in the URL and everything. The winning background designs are butterfly and floral. Those were the 2 that got the most votes. So this is what the Etsy listing looks like. I'll scoot you in so you can see. So this is what it looks like. There's the first Etsy photo and then there's the second Etsy photo. So the butterfly and the floral background design. Those are the 2 that are going to be released today. These are 2 of my favorites, to be honest. I'm going to scoot out just a little bit. So, let me open this up. Well, those are the 2 new backgrounds from last week. Let me go to the vote. I need to write this down or I'll forget. Well. So this one, June 2023. So I'm doing them every 2 weeks versus once a month. So the next vote, we'll talk about that after we talk about everything else. So we've got that done. Oh, let's do it like this. Okay, so let's choose a winner. So what I'm going to do is I've already put the URL in from that video. I have already pulled in the comments, and I'm going to hit start, and I'm going to show you. But then I have to go check to make sure that you're a subscriber to my channel. So I'm gonna hold the phone up. I'm gonna make sure it's focused, and then I'm gonna hit start. Oops. So, it looks like the winner is Linda Landes. So I'm going to check to see if you are a subscriber. Okay, so congratulations to Linda. You have checked, you're a subscriber. And what you need to do now is, down below in the description box, there is an email specifically for winners only, for giveaway winners only. You need to contact me via that email, and we'll get the ball rolling from there. So what we're going to do, the best way to get it the best way for you guys to get your winnings, especially digital winnings, is to do it through Etsy. So that way you'll always have your templates available to you as long as you have that account. So just contact me through there. You'll either pick butterfly or floral, and we'll go from there. So you have, let's see, both winners will have 1 week to contact me, and I guess I should have picked a date for that. Let's see. today is the 16th, so I don't want to get out of this, the 16th, so you'll have until June 25th. Well, that's a little over a week. June 25th, 23, to contact me via that email. I can't leave it open-ended. I've had that happen before where someone contacted me years later, and I didn't have a time cap on it, so I couldn't do anything about it. So anyway, so that's just silly. So you have until June 25th, 2023 to contact me. All right, so now, oh, I've got a fly. Let's pick another winner. So what do? Pick another winner? Okay. I'm going to pick another winner. And pick another winner. I'm going to hit start. Shaw Pack. I don't know who you are. I will check really quick. Be right back. Okay, so congratulations to Shaw Pack. I think I recognize your name, but I'm not sure. But anywho's, congratulations, you are the second winner in this giveaway drawing. So all you need to do is contact me via that email down below, and we'll go from there. Okay, and you have until June 25th, 2023 to contact me via that email. Okay, so the next thing is I wanted to do the coupon codes, and I have two I have two coupon codes again, and they're the same as when I introduced this new set of templates. So the Enchanted 20, it's all caps, no space. That's a 20. You get 20% off of everything in my shop with the purchase of the Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on. So if you buy, like let's say you wanted to get the butterfly, or you wanted to get the floral, so you buy this edge here and you use the Enchanted 20, and you can get 20% off of everything in my Etsy shop. And this coupon code is valid June 25th, until June 25th, 2023. So from the time this video goes public to June 25th, 2023. So there's the first coupon code. So if you just buy the Decorative Edge add-on, and it doesn't matter which pattern you buy, as long as it's this Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on, you get 20% off of everything in my Etsy shop. You have to put that coupon code in the coupon code area, and if you have any issues with it, let me know and we will get it worked out. And then the second coupon code is the Enchanted 30, all caps, no spaces. It's 30% off of everything in my shop. So if you buy the Decorative Edge, the new Decorative Edge add-on, the Enchanted, and a foundation in the same purchase, then you'll get 30% off of everything in my Etsy shop. So you guys really seem to like that, because sometimes you do want the foundations, the Basically Amazing's foundations, you do want the background design and the foundations and the Decorative Edge, the Basically Amazing Decorative Edge add-on. So you kind of want them in the same, a lot of you do. So a lot of you told me that you really liked doing this, having the choice of getting a better discount if you buy more. So those are the two coupon codes. And then before I'll show you a quick little sneak peek, what you need to do to enter into the next giveaway drawing, which will be, when is the next giveaway drawing? 2 weeks from now. Hang on, now I've got to go to my calendar. I can't believe I didn't write this down. So the next giveaway drawing will be June 30th, 2023. So you have until June 29th at 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time to leave a vote below this video. So vote for 2 background designs, and make sure that you're a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So the background designs that are left are the postcard, the letters, hearts, coffee stained, grungy wood, Lightwood, Music Notes, and Vintage Polka Dot. So pick one, or pick 2 out of the 8 that are left. Leave a vote, and in 2 weeks we'll do another giveaway drawing, another background design giveaway drawing. Okay, so there was that. All that information will be down in the description box. There was that. And then I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek. Now, this video is not up yet, and it won't be up till next week. But I'm gonna try to scoot in just a little bit more. I want to show you a quick, just because it's so precious, just in case you guys were on the fence of whether or not you want to whether or not you want to create this with me. I just want to show you. I don't usually start with the cover, but I did start with the cover this time. So I'm going to show you a quick sneak peek. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's all you get. That's all you get. Okay, you guys. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this quick little video. Let me know what you think about the little sneak peek. Don't forget about the coupon codes. Don't forget to leave a comment below the video. Don't forget to be subscribed to my channel. Again, thumbs up, you guys. It does really help when you guys give me a thumbs up. All right, you guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for entering into the giveaway. And thank you so much for being such a valuable part of my YouTube community. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.